Hello students, welcome at Matrix High School YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of MOF that was held on 6th November, and I am here to discuss the solution of physics paper. Now let's see the questions. In question number first, through which process of heat transfer does the food in the oil inside a metallic utensil is cooked? So it is the conduction, its radiation, and its convection. If I'm talking about all these are the method of transfer of heat. Conduction, it is a method of transfer of heat in solids. Convection, it is a method of transfer of heat in liquids, and it is a transfer of heat through which that sun's heat just reached on the surface of earth. Okay, so whenever food is cooked, then conduction is also used there because that is a metallic utensil, and in the convection is also used because oil is also inside the food, and that radiation is also used. So whenever a food is cooked in a metallic utensils, then all these three methods will be used. So for first question, our answer will be D option. Now let's come to the question number second. Okay, in question number second, there is a large body that energy is 10,000 joules kept in a touch with a small body of heat energy, and that small body has the energy of 10 joules, and the temperature of the bodies are, that is 104 degree Fahrenheit, and the smaller one has the 105 degree Fahrenheit, respectively describes the heat flow between the two bodies. Lower temperature is represented by gray color, higher temperature is represented by black color. Okay, let's see. So heat always transfer from high temperature to low temperature is the only factor on which that heat transfers depend. So that smaller bodies has higher temperature, that is 105 degree Fahrenheit, and the larger one has 104 degree Fahrenheit. So the smaller one has higher temperature, so the heat will flow from a smaller to larger one. Okay, so let's see the options. Heat will flow from larger body to smaller? No. Heat will flow from a smaller to larger body? Yes. So for second question, our answer will be B option. Now let's come to the question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, a bunch of people are sitting around a bonfire. The mode of heat transfer between the bonfire and the people is, okay, conduction, its radiation, its convection and conduction, its convection and radiation. When a bonfire is there, then radiation is obviously used there, and then there is air as well as, so in air the method of transfer of heat is a convection. So for third question, when a bonfire is there, the heat will reach to the people by convection and radiation. So for third question, our answer will be D option. Now let's come to the question number 4. In question number 4, there are list first and list second: boiling point of water, melting point of ice, fever, hypothermia, normal body temperature, 1 calorie and 1 joule. Okay, and here that is boiling. What is the boiling point of water on Fahrenheit scale? That is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Got it? So we will go for second. And melting point of ice, at temperature point when ice started to melt, that is 0 degree Celsius, and I can say that is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, what is the normal body temperature? That is 37 degree Celsius. When you have a fever, then it will be raised. So in fever, body temperature will be more than 37 degree Celsius. And if I am talking about the 1 calorie and 1 joule, so in 1 calorie, how many joules are there? There are 4.186 joule. Got it? And if I am talking about the normal body temperature, that is 37 degree Celsius. Okay, and in fever, a temperature will be more than 37 degree Celsius. Got it? So I can see that normal body temperature on Celsius scale, that is 37, on Fahrenheit scale, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so that will be not for that. So in fever, our temperature will be like this, 313 Kelvin, and that you go for 5, and normal body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. So what is hypothermia? Hypothermia is a condition in which our body temperature just get down from a normal body temperature. So normal body temperature on a Fahrenheit scale, that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, or that is 95 degree Fahrenheit. So S resembles with 6. So now you see, P go for 2, Q melting point of ice, that is 0 degree Celsius, or I can say that is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So for Q, that will be first, let's see, 3221. That means our B option can be correct. Let's see, for R, that is 4, fever, that is 313 Kelvin, and hypothermia is a condition in which body temperatures just get down from a normal body temperature. So that will be for 6. Yes, that's also good. And then if I'm talking about the T, so T resembles with 3, and 1 calorie and 1 joule, it will be equal to 4.18. So for fourth question, our answer will be B option. Now let's come to the question number 5. The figure shows an ideal oscillating pendulum. The time that bob moves from A to C in 3 seconds and C to O is 2 seconds. The time period of the simple pendulum the time period of the simple oscillating pendulum is, okay, A to C in 3 seconds and C to O in 2 seconds. If I'm talking about the simple pendulum, when it just released from a extreme position, then its time period will be A to A. Got it? Then at first it will go A to C, then C to O, then O to B, then again B to O, and then A. So that is 5 seconds. It also will be 5 seconds. So in the first half oscillation, its time is 10 seconds. To complete its oscillation, it goes to A and then 10 plus 10. So what will be the time period of that? That will be 20 seconds. So for fifth question, our answer will be D option. Now come to the question number 6. If a planet P revolves by 60-degree angle in its orbit in 6 months, what will be the time period to complete 1 year on this planet? That 60-degree is completed in 6 months. Here means that planet has to complete its 360-degree, and that if 60-degree complete in 6 months, then it has to complete 360. Then if this is multiplied with 6, then also this is multiplied with 6, then 6 into 6, that will be 36 months, or I can say that is 3 years. So which option is correct? That is option D. Now come to the question number 7. Ram walks a path first A to B, then B to C, as shown below. If time taken is 30 minutes and 30 minutes respectively, find the average speed of Ram. If I am talking about the average speed, then it is total distance upon total time. So Ram goes from A to B, then B to C. So the total distance is 4 plus 3, that is 7 kilometers, and it takes A to B 30 minutes, and then B to C it's also take 30 minutes. So the total time 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. How many minutes it will be? Be 60 minutes, and I can say it is 1 hour. So put the values, then average speed will be total distance upon total time, that is 7 kilometers, and total time, that is 1 hour. So that is 7 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the Ram, that will be 7 kilometers per hour. For seventh question, our answer will be B option.
Hello everyone, today we will discuss the MOF answer key of subject chemistry for class 7th. Our first question is, when the soil is too basic plants do not grow well in it. To improve its quality, what must be added to the materials? Option A, organic matter. Option B, quick lime. Option C, slaked lime. Or option D, calamine solution. So if the soil is too basic, we must add it into the acidic substances so that it's neutralized completely. So as we know that acid plus base gives a neutralization reaction. So if the soil is too basic, we must add it a acidic substance. So in these, all the four options, organic matters are acidic in nature. So here option A is correct. Next question is, the general process that takes place at a sheep shearing shed is, as a shearing is a process of removal of a fleece or removal of a hairs from the sheep or other furry animals. So here shearing shed is removal of fleece. So option A is correct here. The next question is, it's a match the column type question. Tartaric acid, calcium hydroxide, formic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, and in list 2, ansting, oranges, curd, lime water and tamarind. As tartaric acid is present in tamarind, calcium hydroxide is a lime water, formic acid is present in ansting, citric acid is present in oranges and lactic acid is present in curd. So P is matched correctly with 5th, then 4th, then 1, 2 and 3. So option B is correct here. Next question is, which of the following is present in milk of magnesia? In milk of magnesia, magnesium dioxide is not present, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium chloride and magnesium oxide. So here magnesium hydroxide is a correct option, that is MgOH twice. This is present in milk of magnesia, which is in basic nature. So option B is correct here. Next question is, Paheli wanted to buy a gift made of animal fiber obtained without killing the animal. Which of the following would be right gift for her to buy? The options are woolen shawl, silk scarf, animal fur cap and leather jacket. So woolen shawl is the correct option here, because wool is obtained from the fleece of hairy animals like sheep, yak, camel, etc. So in this there is no harm for the animals. So wool is obtained from the hairs, from the fleece of the sheep. So this is the correct option here. Woolen shawl, A is the correct option here. Next question is, litmus is extracted from option A curd, option A curd, option B grapes, option C lichens and option D cabbage. Litmus is an indicator, so it is extracted from the lichens. So option C is correct here. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the M of paper solution of class 7 science part 3rd biology. So our first question is, the end product of photosynthesis are, we have to find out the given options that which one of the following is the correct. As we all know that the chemical equation of photosynthesis is 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O. In the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll is the pigment which is present in the leaves of the plant. It converts a molecule is known as glucose, which is form of carbohydrate, and 6O2. As we can see in the equation that the end product of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. So our correct answer will be carbohydrate and oxygen. So option will be A is most appropriate for us. Now move to the next question. Curd is the name given to the food of ruminants, which is. What is the word curd mean? It is a partially digested form of food which ruminants animals bring from the stomach and again start chewing this. You can observe this in cow and goat. So our correct option will be partially digested and swallowed. So our correct answer will be option B. Now move to the next question. Which of the following statement are correct? All green plants can prepare their own food. This statement is correct because they will perform the process photosynthesis, and that's why these are known as autotrophs. Second is most animals are autotrophs. It is false statement. All animals, most of the animals, most of the animals are heterotrophs in nature. Next is carbon dioxide is not required for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is the necessary element required for the photosynthesis. It is false. Oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis. As we all know that oxygen is the end product of photosynthesis. So our correct options are first and fourth. It is given in the option A. So our correct answer will be option A. Now next question. Match the following. List 1 and list 2. As we all know that chlorophyll is the pigment which is present in the leaf of the plant. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a gas which in the bacteria which help in the nitrogen fixation. Now next is Cascata. Cascata, as we all know that it is a parasitic. And next is insects. As we all know that pitcher plant is a insectivorous plant. So it will match with the second. Now move to the given option. Chlorophyll is matched with the fourth. It is given only in one option. Nitrogen move to the first. Cascata move to the third. Insects move to the second. So our correct answer will be option C. Now next question. The teeth of the first set that grew during infancy are called. It is the age from 0 to 12 years in which temporary teeth are started. That's why these teeth also known as milk teeth. So our correct option will be option B. Now next question. What is the function of tongue? As you all know that tongue is responsible for taste and it also help in mixing of the saliva and slow it to pass it through the esophagus. So our correct option will be mix with the food with saliva and swallow it. Now next question. When two organisms are good friends and live together and they benefit each other, such an association of organism is termed as you all know that the best example of this type of association or friendship is lichens. They live in a association, and lichens are the combination of algae and fungus, in which algae provides the food to the fungus and fungus provides the minerals and shelter to the algae. So our correct option will be symbiosis. This type of relation is known as symbiotic relationship. So our correct option will be option D. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Let's begin with the fourth part of this paper, that is of mathematics. And the first question is, if a at the rate b is equal to 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus bracket a multiplied by a plus b multiplied by b, then find 7 at the rate minus 3. So here we have to find out the value of 7 at the rate minus 3. Let's find out. So here we are given with a at the rate b, that is equal to 2 multiply by a multiply by b plus a multiply by a plus b multiply by b. So here we are going to write down, in place of a we have 7 at the rate, in place of b we are putting negative 3. So let's solve this expression. 2 multiply by, in place of a we have 7, in place of b we have negative 3 plus 7 multiplied by 7 plus negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. So let's begin with the calculation part. 2 times 7 is 14 multiplied by negative 3 plus 7 times 7 is 49 plus negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 9. Now here we have negative 42 plus 49 plus 9 is equal to 58. So, negative 42 plus 58, we get 16. So, here the correct answer is 16, that is on option C. So, option C is the correct answer for question 21. Let's begin with the next question. Now, question 22. The value of negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 is so long multiplication, but very easy. Now let's write down how many times 2 is repetitive. So here negative 2 multiply by how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write down negative 2 multiply by negative 2 multiply by negative 2 multiply by negative 2. So here we get negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 multiplied by negative 2, we get positive 16. Now let's count how many 1 we have. Minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 times we have negative 1. So 7 is an odd number. So our answer will be negative 1. So let's multiply 16 multiplied by negative 1. We get negative 16. So here option B is the correct answer. Now question number 23. Divide the sum of minus 23, minus 62 and minus 25. So here minus 23 plus minus 62 plus minus 25. Why the product of minus 11 and 10? So we have to calculate this. So here negative 23 plus minus minus 62 plus minus minus 25 upon minus 110. So here we get, after solving it, negative 110 upon negative 110, which will cancel out and we get the answer 1. So here option A is the correct answer, that is 1. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 24. Now in this question we have 1 minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 4 and so on 1 minus 1 upon 10. Let's solve the beginning part of this question, that is 1 minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 4 and so on till 1 minus 1 upon 10. Now, first of all, we are going to solve the first bracket of this question. So here, first we have to take the LCM. LCM is 2. Then here, 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 2. Multiply by, here we get 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 3. Then from the next bracket, we get
4 minus 1 is 3 upon 4, and so on till 1 minus 1 upon 10. Here we get 9 upon 10 at the end of this question. So here, from the 3 brackets, we get 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 4. So here, after cancel out, so when this calculation will goes on till 9 upon 10, then we get, after cancellation, 1 multiplied by 1 upon 10. That is equal to 1 upon 10. So the answer of this question is 1 upon 10, that is option C. Now let's begin with the next question. Question number 25. If all the points are equally spaced on the following number line, then the value 0 is shown by the point dash. Here 1 division is equal to 5 units. Now here we have 5 on point W, then we have 0 on Z, then negative 5 on Y and negative 10 on X. So here in this question it is asked, if all the points are equally spaced on the following number line, then the value 0 is shown by the point Z. Here 0 is on the Z point. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's solve question number 26. The quotient 1, 0.00639 is divided by 0.213. So here let's divide 0.00639 by 0.213. So here first of all we are going to convert this decimal number into the fraction. So here 639 upon 1 lakh divided by 213 upon 1000. Now let's solve this part. 639 upon 1 lakh multiply by 1000 upon 213. Let's cancel out. It's 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Now the answer is 3 upon 100. And in options we have the answer in the decimal form. Let's convert this 3 upon 100 into a decimal. We get 0.03. Here option B is the correct answer, that is 0.03. So according to question, option B is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. Here next question 27 is, from a wire 1 upon 2 meter long, Sameer cuts 5 pieces of 1 upon 4 meter each. How much length of the wire was left? Now total length of the wire is 1 upon 2 meter. So here 1 upon 2 meter can be written as 21 upon 2. So it is the total length of the wire. Now Sameer cut 5 pieces of 1 by 4. Now let's check. One piece is of 1 upon 4 meter. It means this 5 upon 4. And Sameer cut 5 pieces of this same meter, that is 5 upon 4. So total length he cut is 5 upon 4 multiplied by 5, that is 25 by 4 meter is cut it from the total length of the wire. Now we have to find out how much length of the wire was left. So there is 21 upon 2, the total length of the wire. We have to subtract 25 upon 4 from 21 upon 2. Let's take the LCM of 2 and 4. So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Here we get 42 minus 25. So after subtracting 42 minus 25, we get 17 upon 4. As we know that our options are in the mixed fraction. So we will convert this 17 upon 4 meter into the mixed fraction and we get 4 1 by 4 meter. So here option A is the correct answer, which is 4 1 upon 4 meter. Let's solve next question, that is 28. Which of the following statements is false? First statement is 15 upon 8 lies to the right of 1 on the number line. Yes, it is true. 15 upon 8 will lie to the right of 1 in the number line. So this statement is true. Next, on the number line, 3 upon 7 lies to the right of 0. Yes, it is also true. 3 upon 7 will also lies to the right of the 0. If we want to check how 3 upon 7 lies to the right, we can easily calculate it. 7 divided by 3, we get 0, decimal, 34, 28, 2. So 0.4 is in the right side of 0. So this statement is also true. Option C, fraction 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 2 lies on the opposite side of 2 on the number line. Yes, this statement is also true. As we can write 3 upon 2 in the mixed fraction as 1 upon 2. And 5 upon 2 can be written as 2 1 upon 2. So they both lies on the opposite side of the 2. Option C is also correct. Now option D is 5 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 1, 2 upon 3. This can be written as 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 5 upon 3? No, this statement is false. So we can say that out of these 4 options, option D is the correct answer according to the question. As we have to find out the false statement. So option D is the false statement. Next question is 29th. 543 hundredth. It means 543 upon 100, that is 5.43. Less than 63 tenth is. 63 tenth means 63 upon 10, which can be written as 6.3. Now what we have to do in this, 543 hundredth less than 63 tenth is, we have to find out the difference. Now here 6.3 minus 5.43. We have to calculate it. Let's do the calculation part. 5.4. After subtraction, we get 0.87. So according to option, we can say option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve question number 30. Now in question number 30, it said that 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6, 6 upon 9, 8 upon 12 are equivalent fraction. Yes, they are equivalent fraction. 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2 gives 4 upon 6. If we multiply 2 by 3, we get 6, and in the same way 3 multiplied by 3, we get 9. 2 multiplied by 4, we get 8. 3 multiplied by 4, we get 12. So the assertion is true. Now let's read the reason. A given fraction and fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero integer are called equivalent fraction. Yes, definitely this reason is absolutely true. So in the question, we can see that assertion and reason both are true. Let's see the option. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Yes, option A is correct, as both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of it. B option is both assertion and reason are true but reason is not correct. This is not the correct option. Assertion is true but reason is false. No, because both assertion and reason are true. Assertion is false but reason is true. Same. B, C and D are not correct options. Now let's begin with the question number 31. In a class, there are 24 boys and 12 girls. If one girl is absent, then the probability that it is a girl is. Now here in this question, we have to find out the probability, and we know the formula of probability. That is number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. So, number of favorable outcomes So here, total number of favorable outcomes, we have 12. As in the question, it is given that we have to find out the probability that it is a girl. And there are total number of girls in the class is 12. So here, out of 12 girls, only one girl is going to be absent. And we have to find out the probability of that girl. Now, total strength of the class is 24 plus 12. 24 plus 12 is 36. Now, after doing the cancellation part, we get 1 upon 3. So, here option D is the correct answer. Now, question number 32. The mean of 10 numbers is 7. So, here we are given with the mean, that is 7 of 10 numbers. If each number is multiplied by 12, then the mean of new set of numbers is. Now here we have to find out the mean. Sum of all observations upon total number of observations. So here, the mean of 10 numbers, it means we are given with the total number of observation, that is 10, is 7, mean is 7. We are not given with the sum of all the observation. So sum of all observation is 7 multiplied by 10, that is equal to sum. Now sum of 10 observation is 70. Now if each number is multiplied by 12, now for the new mean, we are going to multiply 70 by 12. Then the mean of the new set of numbers is, total number of observation is 10 only. Now 12 multiplied by 7 is 84. So the new mean of number is 84. So option D is the correct answer. Next question is, the bar graph given below shows the interest of boys and girls in different activities. So here we have a double bar graph. Shaded portion is of boys and unshaded part is of girls. Now the question is, how many less boys are interested in yoga, dance and art altogether than girls? We have to find out the total number of boys here in yoga, dance and art altogether first. So for boys, first calculate the number of boys in yoga. It is 20 plus for dance we have total number of boys 25 plus art. We have 10 boys here. So total number of boys we have 55. Now for girls, in yoga we have total number of girls, that is 20. In dance we have 35. And in art we have total number of girls, that is 15. Altogether we have 70. So total number of girls we have 70 and boys we have 55. So here we have to find out how many less boys are interested in yoga, dance and art altogether than girls. So let's find out the difference. 70 minus 55 is equal to 15. So option A is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question, which is based on the same graph. Now, the bar graph is given below, shows the interest of boys and girls in the different activities. So, same bar graph is there, but the question is different. Question is, in which two activities 55 girls are interested together? Here we have to find out two activities in which 55 girls together are interested. So let's calculate girls in the art section. We have 15 girls in art. In music we have 30. In dance we have 35. In yoga we have 20. In dramatics we have 25. And now we have to find out the combination which makes 55. So here, after the observation, we can see that 35 plus 20 together is making 55 girls. So here, we can say that dance and yoga are the two activities in which 55 girls are interested together. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is 35. The probability that Vikram is late for school in the morning is 0.1. How many times would you expect Vikram to be on time in 20 mornings? So, let's calculate the probability. 1 minus 0.1, we get 0.9. So here we have 0.9 probability. For 20 mornings, we have 20 multiplied by 0.9. So here we get 18. So here option C is the correct answer. Next question is 36. 4 upon 15 of 5 upon 7 of a number is greater than 4 upon 9 of 2 upon 5 of the same number by 8. What is half of the number? Now we have to find out the half of the number. Let's calculate the part. 4 upon 15 of means multiplication. 5 upon 7 of a number means multiply by x. Let the number be x. Now greater than 4 upon 9 multiply by 2 upon 5 multiply by of the same number x plus 8. Now let's calculate it. 1, 3, it's 4x upon 21. Here we have 8x upon 45 plus 8. 4x upon 21. After transposition, positive will become negative. Negative 8x upon 45 equal to 8. Now the LCM of 21 and 45 is 315. So here the LCM is 315. It's 60x minus 56x equal to 8. So here we get 4x upon 315 upon 8. So x is equal to 8 upon 4 multiplied by 315. Here after cancellation we get the value of x, that is equal to, this is 630. So the value of x is 630. It means we get the number. Now we have to find out what is half of the number. So half of the number is 630 divided by 2, that is equal to 315. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Next question is, the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 36. Let's say one number is x and another consecutive odd number is x plus 2. So we have to find out the sum. Now adding these two numbers we get 36. The smaller one is, we have to find out the smaller number. Now here 2x plus 2 is equal to 36. 2x is equal to 36 minus 2. We get 2x equal to 34. X is equal to 34 divided by 2, which gives us, after doing the lowest form, that is 17. So here 17 is the lowest number. So here 17 is the smallest number. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question, that is question number 38. Now the question number 38 is 4 upon 5 multiplied by 5x minus 1 minus bracket 3x minus 1 minus x upon 2 bracket close is equal to x plus 7 upon 2. Now let's begin the solution. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 5x minus 4 upon 5 multiplied by 1 here. Now minus 3x minus 1 upon 2 plus x upon 2 equal to x plus 7 upon 2. Now let's begin with the next step. Here after cancellation we get 4x minus 4 upon 5. Here after opening the bracket we get minus 3x plus 1 by 2 minus x upon 2, that is equal to x plus 7 upon 2. Now we are transposing constant term one side and variable term another side. We get 4x minus 3x is x minus x upon 2 minus x, that is equal to 7 upon 2 plus 4 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2. Now here we get negative x upon 2 is equal to, LCM of 2, 5, 2 is 10. Here we get 35 plus 8 minus 5. So here negative x upon 2 is equal to 38 upon 10. Now x is equal to 38 upon 10 multiplied by 2. It is 5. So here negative 38 upon 5. So the correct option is minus 38 upon 5, that is option C. Now next question is 39. Which of the following statement is false? We have to find out the false statement. Now first statement is, if 5x minus 34 plus x is equal to 26 minus 4x, then x is equal to 6. Now here we have x equal to 6. Let's put the value of x in the given equation. So here 5 multiplied by 6 minus 34 plus 6 is equal to 26 minus 4 multiplied by 6. So here we get 30 minus 34 plus 6 equal to 26 minus 24. So here minus 4 plus 6 equal to 2. Here we get 2 equal to 2. So this statement is true. Now the next statement is 13 y minus 4 minus 3 bracket y minus 9 minus 5 bracket y plus 4 equal to 0, then the value of y is minus 9. Now here we put the value of y, that is minus 9 minus 4, 3 minus 9 minus 9 minus 5 minus 9 plus 4 equal to 0. Let's solve this question. 13 multiply by negative 13 minus 3 multiply by negative 18 minus by negative 5, that is equal to 0. Now, square of 13 is negative 169 minus 54 plus 25, that is equal to 0. Now here we have negative So this expression is false as the answer is not equal to 0. So option B is false. Option A, option B we can do by finding out the value of x also. Here in the second option we can also find out by finding out the value of y also, and we can do by this method also. Now option C, 0.5a plus a upon 3 is equal to 0.25a plus 7a. Then the value of a is 12. Let's find out option C. 0.5a transposing 0.5a plus a upon 3 is equal to 7. So here we get 0.25 a plus a upon 3, that is equal to 7. So here 0.75a plus a equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Option C is correct as a is 12. So this statement is true. Now option D is if 5 is subtracted from 3 times a number, means 3x minus 5 is equal to 16. The number is 7. So here 3x is equal to 16 plus 5, which is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Option D is also correct. So we can say that in 39 question, option B is the correct answer according to the question. Let's move on to the next question. Our next question is, a shopkeeper sells mangoes in 2 types of boxes, one small and one large. So a shopkeeper has 2 types of boxes, one is large and one is small. A large box contains 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Which one of the option given below is the correct equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box? The number of mangoes in a large box is given to be 100. So here we have to find out only the equation. So here a large box contains 8 small boxes. Let the small box be m. As in the option variable m is used, so we are taking a small box as m. So a large box contains 8 small boxes, means 8m. Now 4 loose boxes, 4 loose mangoes. So here we are adding 4 loose mangoes in the given number 8m. Now this total becomes 100. So this is the required equation for the given question. So let's find out which option is the correct one. So here option D is the correct answer for the given question. Now the next question is 41. Two complementary angles differ by 10 degree. The larger angle is. Now we have to find out the larger angle when two complementary angles differ by 10 degree. Now we know that complementary angles are those angles in which sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Now here let the angle 1 be x and the complement of this angle be 90 minus x. So this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Now two complementary angles differ by 10 degree. It means x minus 90 minus x is equal to 10 degree. Let's do the calculation. Minus 90 plus x equal to 10 degree. So 2x equal to 10 plus 90, x is equal to 100 upon 2, which is equal to 50. So the value of x is 50. Here x is equal to 50 and 90 minus x means 90 minus 50 is equal to 40 degree. Now the larger angle is 50 degree. So according to the question, option B is the correct answer. Now question number 42. In the given figure, if POR is equal to 90 degree, POR means this angle is 90 degree, means that y plus x is equal to 90 degree, and OQ bisect angle POS. Angle POS is bisected by line OQ. It means that Z plus Y is equal to X. Then find the value of 2y plus z. So we have to find out the value of 2y plus z. Now let's add these both equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Let's add them and find out what is the value we get. Y plus x plus z plus y is equal to 90 plus x. Now here we get 2y plus z plus x equal to 90 plus x. So here we get 2y plus z equal to transposing x on the another side, we get negative x. So here 2y plus z we get positive x and negative x cancelled out and we get 90 degree. So the value of 2y plus z is equal to 90 degree. Here, according to the question, we see that option C is the correct answer. Now, let's begin with the next question, 43. In the given figure, two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O. To find the value of x, we have to find out the value of x. Now, we know that these two angles are vertically opposite angles, as it is given that AB and CD are intersecting lines or intersect each other at O. So, to find out the value of x, we can say that 3x minus 30 is equal to 2x plus 20, as this both angles are vertically opposite angles, they are equal. After transposing x term on one side and constant term on another side, we get 3x minus 2x is equal to 20 plus 30. So here 3x minus 2x is x equal to 20 plus 30 is 50. So the value of x is 50 here. We have to find out the value of x only. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is, in the given figure, two lines L and M are intersect at O. So here two lines are intersecting at O. Find the value of Z. We have to find the value of Z here. As we know that line L is a straight line, so it forms a 180-degree angle. Here x minus 10 degree plus x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree, as they form linear pair also and it's forming a straight line. So let's solve it. 2x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. 2x is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 upon 2. After cancellation, we get 75. So the value of x is 75. Now we have to find out the value of z here. So here 75 is the value of x. X plus 40 is equal to z, as x plus 40 and z are vertically opposite angles. So here we are going to put the value of 75 in place of x. 75 plus 40 is equal to z. So after calculation, we get 115 degree, that is the value of z. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's begin with the next question. Next question is 45. In the given figure, it is given that L is parallel to M. T is the transversal. This is the transversal line. Then the value of x is. Now we have to find out the value of x here. We know that T is a transversal line. So here it is forming 50. This angle will be 180 minus 50. So here this angle will be 130 degree. As L and M are parallel lines, so we can say that 130 degree is equal to x, as they are alternate interior angles. So the value of x will be 130 degree. So according to question, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 46. Question number 46 says that in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is 32 degree more than twice the equal angles. So let the equal angles, or let the angle be x. So the another angle will also be x, and the next, that is vertex angle, is 32 more than twice the equal angle. So here 32 more than means plus 2x. 2x is twice the equal angle, means equal angles are x plus x. So here twice the equal angle means 2 multiplied by x. So we have to find out the value of the vertex angle. We have to find out the value of the vertex angle, that is 32 plus 2x. So here, according to angle sum property of triangle, we say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now let's solve the question. Here 2x plus 32 plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So 32 plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. 4x is equal to 180 degree minus 32. 4x is equal to 148. Here x is equal to 148 upon 4. So here the value of x is 37 degree. Now we have to put the value of x in the vertex angle equation, that is 32 plus 2x. So here 32 plus 2 multiplied by 37, we get 74, here 106. So the value of vertex angle is 106 degree. So option A is the correct answer. Next is 47th question. A triangle has a perimeter of 60 centimeter. The shortest side of a triangle is 3 centimeter more than 1/3 of the longest side, and the other side is 6 centimeter less than the longest side. Find the shortest side. So let the longest side be x. Let the longest side be x. Longest side is equal to x. Then shortest side, so the shortest side is 3 centimeter more than 1/3 of the longest side. Here 3 centimeter more than 1/3 of the longest side. This is the shortest side, and the other side, if we talk about other side, that is equal to 6 centimeter less than shortest side. So we can say that x minus 6. Now we have to find out the shortest side. To find out the shortest side, we have to find out the value of x. So here a triangle has a perimeter of 60 centimeter. We have to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we are given with the perimeter of triangle, that is 60. So let's find out the value of x by adding all these three sides that is equal to 60 centimeter. Now here x plus 1 by 3x plus x minus 6 equal to 60. So here we get the value of x, that is 27. Now we have to find out the shortest side. To find out the shortest side, we have to simply put the value of x in the given expression. So here 3 plus 1 upon 3, in place of x we will put the value of x, that is 27. 3 times 3 and 27 is cancelled out, so 3 plus 9, that is equal to 12. So here the correct answer is 12 centimeter. So the shortest side is 12 centimeter. Now let's solve question number 48. Now in question number 48, we have in a triangle, one angle is of 90 degree. Then in the given statement, which is true? We have to find out which statement is true. Now here first statement is the other two angles are of 45 degree each. So it is not necessary the other two angles will be 45 degree. So this statement is not correct. Now the second statement is in remaining two angles, one angle is 90 degree and other angle is 45 degree. So this statement is also not possible because we have already one angle that is 90 degree. Now the third statement is remaining two angles are complementary. So here two angles are complementary is a correct statement because the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree when the angles are complementary. So here statement 3 is correct. So we can say that only statement 3 is correct. So here option C is the correct answer for the given question. Now the next question is 49. In the given figure, the two exterior angles are given. Find angle YXZ. Means we have to find out Y, X, Z. This angle we have to find out when two exterior angles are given to us. Now we can say that X, Y, V is already given to us, that is 50 degree, and it is an exterior angle. And we can see that V, Y, Z is a straight line. It means it is forming a linear pair also. So here this angle will be 180 degree minus 50. 180 degree minus 50, we get 130 degree. Means this is 130 degree. And in the same way, we can find out the interior angle Z also, that is 180 degree minus 150 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. Now, using angle sum property, we can find out the third angle, that is angle YXZ. So here, using angle sum property, we will get 130 degree plus 30 degree plus angle YXZ is equal to 180 degree. Now, after calculation, we get 160 degree plus angle YXZ equal to 180 degree. So, angle YXZ is equal to 180 degree minus 160 degree, which is equal to 20 degree. So, our required angle is 20 degree, that is option A. So, we can say that option A is the correct answer for question 49. Now, let's solve last question of this part, that is question number 50. Now, which of the following figures will have its altitude outside triangle? Now, we have to find out in which figure the altitude will be outside the triangle. So, in the first figure, we can say that this triangle altitude will be inside the triangle. In the second figure, this is a right triangle. So, altitude is already given. This is the altitude. Now, in the C option, this triangle will also have its altitude inside it. And in the last figure, the altitude will be outside the triangle. So, according to the question, we can say that option D is the correct answer. I hope you all understood part 4. Thank you.
Hello my dear students, my name is Akash Chaudhary. I am your reasoning mentor. Today we are discussing Matrix Olympiad papers class 7th part 5th of logical reasoning. Let's we start from question number first. As you see the question number first, find the next term. Our series is 10, 18, 28, 40, 54, 70. What is next term? As you see, 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. What is next term for adding? Our next term is 18. If 18 is added in 70, our number is 88. Option D is correct answer. Our next question is question number 52. Find the next term B, D, F, I, L, P, question mark. Plus 2, plus 2. F2I plus 3, I2L plus 3. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 3, plus 3. L2P plus 4, 4 next, P2 next term plus 4 is T. Our answer is option C is correct. Answer T is our Answer. Next question is, in the following set of letters are sequentially placed in the gaps in the given letter series when which one complete the series? As you see, BA, BA, BC. Then the A blank C A B A blank B C B A. Our series is A B C C B A A B C C B A. Our series is A B C C B A A B C C B A. Our answer is B C A C. B C A C. Option A is correct answer. Next question is, what is called for question mark? As you know the directions east, west, north, south. 90-degree anti-clockwise of east, which direction is? 90-degree of anti-clockwise of east direction, that is called north direction. Our answer is north. Option A is correct answer. Next question is, if southeast become north, our direction is east, west, north, south. Our sub direction is southeast, northeast, northwest, and southwest. If southeast become north, then our rotation is 135 of anti-clockwise. Northeast become west, that means also 135 anti-clockwise rotation. So on, what will west become? West become 90 anti-clockwise, 90 plus 45 that is 135 anti-clockwise, that is called southeast. Then option C is correct answer. Next question is, same rank Nitin, 9th from the top and 38 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? As you know the number of total person, bottom plus top minus 1. 9th from top and 38 from bottom minus 1. 9 plus 38 minus 1 is 37. 37 plus 9 is 46. Option B is correct answer. Next question is, Saran is 18th from the right and in a row of 50 boys. What is position from left hand? As you know, right plus left minus 1 is equal to total. Then right 18th, we find the value of left minus 1, number of total person are given in 50. 18 minus 1 is 17 plus left equal 50. If we find the value of left, then you say 50 minus 17 is 33. 33 is our answer. Option C is correct answer. Next question is, if divide means into means plus, plus means minus, minus means divide, find the value of equation 16 into. Then into means plus 3, plus means minus 5, minus means divide 2, and divide means into 4. 16 plus 3 minus 5 by 2 into 4. 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4. 16 plus 3 minus 5 into 2, 10. 16 plus 3, 90. 90 minus 10 is 9. Option A is correct answer. Next question is, choose the correct mirror image of verbal. As you see, if correct verbal image L is so this way, only option D is correct for L. Then our answer is option D. Next question is, visualize the image of item the mirror image, the mirror is below in the item, yani water, that means water mirror. Our next question is question number 60. Find the water mirror image. As you see, if this upper side is bottom and bottom is so as top, option B is correct answer. Thank you very much.